Hello and welcome to Technofied. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use WhatsApp, what is WhatsApp, and how you can use it on your PC. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you can open any type of website you have and you can open web.whatsapp.com, or if you can find this site, you can just go ahead and open Google. After you go to Google, you can search for WhatsApp over here. And you can see WhatsApp desktop. If you want to download WhatsApp desktop, just go ahead and tap on this link. Or if you want to open WhatsApp web on your browser, you can see this second link over here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see you can download the WhatsApp app as well. It is the same with the WhatsApp web. So let's go ahead and start the video firstly with WhatsApp web. Go ahead and open web.whatsapp.com on any of the browser you have on your PC. What you need to do to use WhatsApp on your computer is given in some 4 steps. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu on Android or settings on iPhone, tap link devices and link a device. Point your phone at this screen to capture the QR code. So open your WhatsApp which is on your phone. After you open WhatsApp, click on the 3 dots and click on link devices. Then you can see link device. Go ahead and tap on link a device, verify your identity, scan the code from your phone, and after you scan it, you can see that you will be logged into WhatsApp. Talking about WhatsApp, it is a widely used messaging app that allows users to send text messages, voice messages, photos, videos, and documents, as well as make voice and video calls over the internet. It was launched in 2009 and quickly became popular due to its simplicity, reliability, and cross-platform availability, meaning it works on both Android and iOS devices. Here are some key aspects of WhatsApp. Free messaging. WhatsApp uses your internet connection, Wi-Fi, or mobile data to send messages, so it doesn't incur SMS charges. End-to-end encryption. All communications on WhatsApp are encrypted, meaning only the sender and receiver can read the message, ensuring a high-level privacy. Group chats. You can create groups with up to 1,024 participants if you didn't know, making it easy to communicate with large teams, friends, or even family. WhatsApp status. Similar to Instagram stories, you can post photos, videos, or text updates that disappear after 24 hours. WhatsApp web or desktop. You can access your WhatsApp account on your computer, allowing for easier typing and multitasking, voice and video calls. WhatsApp supports voice and video calls, including group calls, making it a versatile communication tool. Global reach. With over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps, making it easy to connect with people globally. It is owned by Meta, formerly known as Facebook, and WhatsApp continues to evolve with new features aimed at enhancing communication while maintaining user privacy and security. So let's go ahead back into the video about how you can use the desktop app. So you can see that once you sign into your account, you will see this type of interface, which is your desktop interface for WhatsApp as well. You can go ahead and tap on download and download the file, and you can see WhatsApp over here. You need to log into your account or scan it from your phone, and you can see this, and the web version is quite the similar one. So you can use one of these and you can see the interface. Firstly comes chats. You can see all of your chats detail over here. If you want to create a new message, you can do that. Just go ahead and click on this icon over here. You can see search for a chat. You can search for chat. Go ahead and search for your contacts, and then you can start texting them. So this is how you can see this new chat option. You can either start a new chat or you can go to your contacts and you can start the old chat but newly right now. So you can see this feature over here. On the 3 dots, you can see new group. If you want to create some new group, you can do that as well. It's quite easy and helpful because you can now convey messages quite faster and not particularly for a single person from time to time. So you can create a group and you can start sharing a message. So you can see that I have created a group over here. You can see that this is a general group which I have named that, and you can see a community over here as well. I'm going to teach you in a while how to create a community as well. So you can see there are something options like start message, select chats, log out, and get WhatsApp for Windows. So you can explore this. You can see the select chats over here. If you want to mass delete it, or if you want to mass export or import this chat, you can do that as well. You can easily function this. So you can see that you can just go ahead and click on cross and it will be over. On the three dots, there is a logout option. If you want to log out of this group, you can do that as well. Or if you want to log out of your account, you can do that as well. But make sure that your WhatsApp is connected or logged into your phone, because you need to scan the QR code like I did before. So talking about chats, you can go to a chat and you can see some of the chat functionalities which WhatsApp web provides. You can see some of the emojis you can use. There are the latest emojis which are also available on your iOS or Android devices. The GIFs are also here. You can search for GIFs according to your wish and you will find the GIF. After search for it, you can see that there are a lot of GIFs over here. And there are also already preloaded GIFs like trending, haha, sad, love, reactions, sports, TV, and whatnot. So if you want the stickers, you can use them as well. You can see right beside GIF is sticker option. You can find some stickers from here. And the other option is this plus icon. If you click on it, you can see it extends to documents, photos and videos, camera, contact, poll, and new sticker. Talking about documents, if you want to attach any document, you can click on this button over here. After, click on the plus button and click on documents and attach your documents to your family members or your group members. If you want to upload photos and documents, you can do that as well. But I suggest you to use the document extension and then upload your photos and videos, because it will come in a decent way and you can notice that it will be the same size and same quality as you uploaded. But if you use the photos and videos, quite a bit of MB will be deducted because of the quality issues, and the photos might not come as you expected. If you want to click a photo and send it to your friend or family member, you can do that as well. You can see the camera option and you can see the contact option over here. If you want to send the person's contact to another contact, you can select it, click send, and the contact will be sent. You can see this option over here. If you want to create a poll in a group, you can do that as well. Let's suppose you want to go on a hike on a Sunday morning, but you're not sure how many people are going. You can create a poll and you can decide who are going, who are not, or whether you are not going at all. So you can create a poll and you can see the new sticker option over here. You can create a sticker of your own. You can just go ahead and upload it, wait for a while, create your sticker, click send, and the sticker will be sent itself. So you can see that this plus option is there. So if you click plus directly, it will appear over here. If you want to send a voice message, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on it, click allow for your microphone to be allowed, and you can see that now you are speaking. You can go ahead and pause it if you want. You can see the replay option over here. View once message gives you more privacy, so go ahead and click OK, and you can see that once the message is viewed, it will not be played again. So you can click on one over here and you can see the send icon. Just go ahead and send it, and then there you go, you have just sent a voice message. If you want to delete it, just go ahead and click on delete like I did, and you can do so. So you can see that in WhatsApp web you cannot do a voice call. So if you want to do a voice or video call, you can get the app as I told you before. On the three dots on the top right hand side, which is inside this chat over here, you can find the contact info, the contact reports, and all of the details like your media, link, and everything. So you can see the contact info over here. You can click on it and you can see their number, the group they are common in, their message. You can mute notifications, turn on disappearing messages, and you can see the encryption as well. You can do this, and if you scroll a bit down, if you want to anyway block the user, you can do that as well. You can see block, report, and delete chat over here. If you want to clear the chat with the user totally, you can click on delete chat, but make sure that you have the items or the files backed up from the chat, because they will be deleted as well. So talking about chats, this is all it, guys. You can see in the next thing is status. In the next one, you will see the status of your friends. You can see that currently you cannot add status from your desktop app, but you can add it from your Android or iOS device. So you can see the channels over here. You can search for channels and join channels if you want. So you can see some channels. You can click follow and follow some channels. But if you want to create your own channel and want to invite your friends, you can do that as well. You can see that this is the channel I created as well as this. So what you need to do is click on the plus icon, click on create channel, click continue after you read this, write down the name of your channel, and then click on add channel icon. You better add this because people will like to see a profile picture, obviously. So you can add a photo, click on upload, and click on this tick mark. So go ahead and click on create account, and you can click on share channel link. Go ahead and click on copy, and then you can copy this link and send it to your friends, and they can come to your channels as well. So if you want to add a description of your channel, you can do that, and you can write down what this channel is for or what is the purpose of this channel. If you scroll down, you can see that you can turn this into a public or private channel. You can go to the channel settings and send this, or you can react this and select the emoji. So you can do this on the channel settings. And if you scroll a bit down, there's channel alert. You can see there are some alerts which will be placed over here once. So you can see you can invite some admins. You can directly place your friends as admins. You can click on channel link and send the channel link from here as well. And you can see the transfer ownership over here. If you want to completely transfer the ownership of your channel to others, you can do that as well. This functionality is right here on the right side of the WhatsApp interface on your WhatsApp web. And below it, there is delete channel and report channel. If you're finally done with your channel and want to delete it, you can click on delete channel and delete your channel. Or if you want to report the channel, you can do that as well. So that is all about channel. If you scroll a bit down, you can see and discover more channels and follow them, and you will be updated with the day-to-day life and the day-to-day news. On the down, you can see right under the channels is communities. You can create your own community and you can join them as well. So on the settings on the right hand side, on the left hand side in this gear button, you can see the account settings like account, privacy, chat, notifications, keyboard, help, and logout. So you can go to account, you can set the security notifications, request account info, and you can see how you can delete your account. This info is over here. If you go to privacy, you can access the privacy settings and change them according to your wish, and same goes to chats. You can back up your chat from here. You can change the display mode from dark to light. You can change the WhatsApp wallpaper according to your wish, and you can see that there are some options of chat settings like media auto download. If you don't want the media to be automatically downloaded, you can disable all of this, and WhatsApp web or desktop will ask if you want to download it, and the download icon will come right above the photo or video, and you can download it later. So this is all about how you can use desktop in the WhatsApp. So you can see that you can go to WhatsApp desktop as well, and the same functionalities will come. So it is similar, quite easy, authentic, and secure. I hope this video about how you can use WhatsApp on your desktop was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.